surprise for you.
What is it?
We're going to be taste testing this. So this is Festive Elf ice cream.
Elfie.
Good elf on it from Asda, and it's
And there were spooky things left.
and it's got red and green swirls in it, which is raspberry. The green is the raspberry, and the candy floss is white, and it looks like this. I'll turn it over. You can probably see it on the sides there too. So, shall we try it?
Yeah!
So we're gonna try the white first, which is candy floss flavored. You ready?
Yummy. Now let's try the red bit.
Did you like that? Yeah? I've just realised there's a little candy cane, sort of like sprinkles in like white and green, and there's a few red ones too.
I want to have some sprinkles.
Look, there they are. I really like that one. I was expecting it to be really sweet, but it wasn't too sweet, which was really nice. I'm ready to try the green bit now. Now, the green is raspberry, which is really funny. You ready? Ready? Do you like that?
Yeah, it tastes like pumpkin.
Like pumpkin? Silly Billy.
Pumpkin pie.
I really like that one. And are we going to try the sauce on top too? Yeah? You're going to try to get a little bit of the sauce?
Yeah, I'll do some.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
That's really good.
Tastes like Santa hat.
Like Santa hats because it's red.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. And that's actually really good because it's quite sweet overall, but then I think it's raspberry or strawberry on top. It's really like not sour but tangy, so it's really good. Do you like this ice cream altogether? I do. And would you recommend it to a fan? Yeah? So Freddie would recommend it, and I would recommend it. So is that a 5 stars out of 5? Yeah? And do you think it's thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So it's got a thumbs up from Freddie and a thumbs up from me. So this was £2 from Asda, and I would recommend getting this. And would you? Yeah. So we'll both recommend it. So if you get it, tag us in any photos that you got and say whether you liked it or not. So we'll see you guys later. Bye!